Hi everyone, my name is Abel Worth, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT as a beginner. Now, what is ChatGPT and why is it so popular? Why are people talking about it? ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. The GPT means generative pre-trained transformer. Its purpose is to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. So you can instruct ChatGPT to write an article on any topic of your concerns. The chat in GPT signifies its ability to engage in dynamic back-to-forth conversations. It means you can ask ChatGPT a question on any topic and it will reply you instantly. You can also interact with ChatGPT as you would interact with a lecturer or a teacher. You can ask for suggestions on topics, or you can brainstorm a marketing strategy for your new business. There are so many things you can do with this amazing software, and I will be showing you some of the basic things you can do with this software in the course of this video. So are you ready? Because I'm ready too. So let's head over to my screen and get started.
Head over to Google and search for ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT, you must first sign up for an account. So while on the website, click on sign up. So you'll be prompted to use your email to sign up on an account on ChatGPT. You can either use your email, or you can continue with Google, or continue with Microsoft account, or continue with Apple, whichever one applies to you. So normally I go with Google, which is your Google account. So to bring out all the accounts you have on Google, then you can select the one you want to use to sign up for ChatGPT. I'm not going to do that because I have an account with them already, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. But in your case, you might require to sign up. So once you click on any of the email you want to use, it will take you on a prompt where you can now sign up for the account. It will now send a message to your Gmail, a verification message to your Gmail, wherein you can go in and verify your account. So let me sign into my own account. So we are now in ChatGPT environment. So the first thing I want to show you is how to start a chat with ChatGPT. So before you can start using ChatGPT, you have to prompt it. You have to tell it what to do. And the process of telling ChatGPT what you want to do is called prompting. So I'm going to start a new prompt. To start a new prompt, you just go to this icon you see here on the left and click on new chat. So I'm going to show you like 10 basic things you can do with ChatGPT as a beginner. I'm going to illustrate them with samples so that you get to understand. So let's move fast. The first thing you can do with ChatGPT is generate text. ChatGPT can generate creative and text based on your prompt. So ChatGPT can generate text based on what you prompt it to do. It can write you stories, it can write you poems, and things like that. So let's illustrate with an example. So I'm going to prompt it to do something for me now. I'll say, can you suggest an essay topic for me on green energy? So I've just giving it a prompt. Can you suggest an essay topic for me on green energy? Let's say I want to write about green energy, so I'm prompting it to suggest a topic for me. So I'll just go ahead and hit the enter button. Okay, it says, certainly, how about exploring the theme of the future of green energy, innovation, challenges, and solutions? This topic allows you to, okay, so it has not given me a topic to write on, which is this, the future of green energy, innovation, challenges, and sustainable solutions. So I'm just going to pick the topic and ask it to write about it. Can you write an article about the topic? Okay, so you can see now it's writing an article based on the topic that it has generated for me. So the next thing ChatGPT can do is answer questions. You can use it to answer questions. So you can ask questions and receive informative answers. Seek explanation on various topics. Okay, let's give an example on this. Let's go to new chat. So I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to ask ChatGPT this question. Who is the first president of the United States? The first president of the United States was George Washington. He served 2 terms from April 30th. You can see that it has now answered my question that I just asked it now. It has provided an answer to the question I asked. So you can use ChatGPT to ask questions and get accurate answers. The next thing I want to share with you is, the third thing is that you can use it to translate from one language to another. That means you can translate text from English to any other language that you want. Let's make an example. Let me see. Can you translate? Let me put quotation. I love you. I love you. I love you. In French. Okay, you can see it has translated I love you in English to French. So in French is this. I won't pronounce it because I don't speak French, but this is the translation of I love you in French. So let's move ahead. You can use it in coding. It can be your coding assistant. This is for developers, those that are into coding. You can use it to write codes and things like that. So for instance, let's say we want to generate code. Let's prompt it. Can you write an HTML code to bold the text? I want to bold a text on HTML. I need the code, so I've just instructed it to write the code for me. So you can see it has written the code that I can use to bold my text in HTML. So moving forward, number 5, it can be a conversational AI, as you can interact with ChatGPT on various topics and it will give you answers as you ask the questions. I think that one is self-explanatory. We've illustrated it before with asking of questions. So you can use it to summarize content, for content summarizing. Summarize articles, documents, or other pieces of text. So basically, you can use ChatGPT to summarize content. Let's go to a website and copy a content and bring it back here for you to summarize. Okay, let's go to TalkTalk Nigeria. This is just for illustration purpose. So in TalkTalk Nigeria, we're going to copy. Okay, we're going to copy one of these. Which one do we copy? Okay, let's just copy this one, the text, just a little part of the text, and summarize it using ChatGPT. So if you're working on a project and you just want a summary of what you've done, maybe you have you did like a report and you want a summary of the report, you can use ChatGPT in achieving that. So I've copied this part of this text and I want to take it to ChatGPT for it to summarize it. So I'm going to paste the text here, then I'll go and prompt it. Oh no, I already pressed enter. So it can still prompt. Let me still prompt it. Let me just go to let me start a new chat. So I'll say, can you summarize this text, this article in one paragraph? And I'll now paste the article. Okay, you can see that this what I asked it was in 2 paragraphs, but it has summarized it in just 1 paragraph. So you can actually use it to summarize contents. Then you can use it as a learning support, get explanation and clarification on various topics, practice language and writing skills. So you can use it as your support system to explain some certain things you don't understand. Maybe you're given a project and you don't really understand the project. You can ask ChatGPT and it will give you more explanation. It will expand more on the project and give you more insights. So number 8, you can use it to generate idea. I like this one. So assuming I want to create a YouTube channel now and I don't have a name for it yet. So I can come over to ChatGPT and prompt it to generate an idea for my YouTube channel. Okay, let me use this prompt. I want to start a YouTube food channel. Can you suggest name using the last 3 words of my name? Let's say my name is Rosemary. I want to start a YouTube channel. Can you suggest a name using the last 3 words? No, not words, letters. Letters of my name, Rosemary. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay. It said, certainly. How about the name Rosemary Bites? If I don't like it, I can still prompt it that. Can you give other alternative names? You can see that I'm actually interacting with ChatGPT. So it has brought up other names that I can use. You see, flavorful rose, rosemary feast, tasty rose. All these are names that ChatGPT suggested for my new food channel. So you can use it to generate ideas. You can use it to brainstorm on ideas and projects. So these are just like the basic things that you can do with ChatGPT. But in subsequent videos, I'll also do the subsequent videos that will be advanced, maybe masterclass on ChatGPT. Then we'll talk about maybe prompt engineering and all other sort of things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was insightful. You learned something from it. So if you did, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video. Also, turn on the red bell notification so that when I do videos like this, you can be the first to get them. Thank you so much and see you.